Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today 23rd April, Nifty ends today at 22,368 and Bank Nifty at 47,970. Before proceeding to the today's video, thanks for your support for the new course which I have launched in previous week. Many have registered and thank you so much for your trust on me and my work. So with that note, we'll proceed to the today's video. So what we may expect this week? See, these are some complicated structures, wave patterns developing here. So for having a better view or better understanding about what is happening in the markets based on Elliott wave perspective, I am analyzing from the daily chart. See, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 and wave 4 and wave 5. Okay, in this wave 5, this is 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed. In this third wave, this is 1 of 3, 2 of 3. So this is the update and this is what the count I had from the previous month. So now slightly I'm going to change because of this price action. This 4 can be the minor 4 of this wave 3 and this wave 3 possibly ended here. So 1, 2, 3 because leading diagonals mostly come in wave 1. Yes, it is possible in wave 5, I mean 1 of 5, but this given this structure and time, it can be an ending diagonal and the possibility is wave 3. So this 4 can be the minor wave 4 and this bigger wave 4 is maybe here or here. That we will discuss all the possibilities now. So if this is the count, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may started. Since wave 2 is the character of fast nature and the low has been not went below this low. See, this low is 21,710 and this low is 21,777. So this low not went below this low. So it can be wave 1, wave 2 and I can see it 5 subways here also. So the possibility is wave 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed. So this is the understanding as per the Nifty daily chart. I'll give the option, but this is the primary count. Right. Now we will analyze these subways. What may happen in coming 2 days or 3 days this week? See, if it is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it can be wave 1 of 5 and it can be treated as ABC and sometimes we can view it as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. If it is a 5 wave decline, this is just a first decline in the correction. We will come to this part later. Now we focus on our primary assumption of this is 1 of 5 and 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed. So with this angle, we will analyze here. So on 22nd April, when Nifty was trading around 22,294, a short-term resistance may come between 22,330 to 22,400 and if you see price reached this top, I missed this gap level. So 22,424 approximately the price has consolidated the entire day today. That is what I said here. Some short-term resistance may come between this zone and the price is consolidating around this zone now. And today I shared one thing that as expected the price is facing resistance around 22,400. In a very short term, if 22,340 level supports, there is a possibility of one more high to 22,440 to 22,450, even 22,500. I'll show now. So this is the update I shared today around 11:10. See, the expected support is 22,340 and the chart for this assumption is this one. This is 15 minutes chart. So from this bottom it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and in this fifth wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 may proceed higher. So this 4 should possibly support around 22,340. Got it? This is the update I shared in this meaning. So if 22,340 level supports, there's a possibility of one more high to 22,440, 450 or even 22,500. So as of now, the low made is 22,351, 350. So still within the zone. So 22,350 and we expected 22,340 levels. So the price not yet went below that level. So still I think that there is a possibility of one more high to this levels at around 22,440 to 450 or even this gap filling zone of 22,500. If this happens, there is a possibility of 5-wave upside here. See, if it is usually a corrective pattern like this, okay, this will not happen mostly in this bigger way. If it is a corrective pattern, it will move like this, most probably. So considering all these facts, the primary view is bullish. See, I have alternate view also because I can count it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is possibility we will discuss in the later part of this video, but my primary view is considering the bigger wave structure, and I can see a 5-wave structure here. This can be a corrective pattern wave 2 in wave 5, that is 1 of 5, 2 of 5, and this upwards, for example, the price as expected gets support around 22,340 and move higher to this level. This can become a 5-wave structure possibly, and wave 1 and a decline, okay, a decline, a pullback, and may start moving higher. This is the primary assumption now. So anyway, we will study wave by wave, and I will be posting minimum 2 videos per week. So I will give the updates. Most probably the price tomorrow opens around the same level or neutral opening or mild difference, not a big gap up or gap down. That is what my expectation, because this looks like a sideways and possibly one more high. But remember, the price already reached our level of 22,400. That you should remember. If you notice, I said this line also, minor final wave is tricky. So it's not a trading advice. See, we are already reached the resistance and we are expecting one more small move here. So it may or may not happen. The price have already reached the resistance. So that's why the minor fifth of fifth is always tricky. So if it all moves like this, there will be a neutral opening tomorrow and upwards toward this level. If it gap down below this level, yes, we may assume that the resistance has started working here and we may expect a pullback. So this is the understanding for the coming days. And see, I will explain few concepts why I am taking this primary view. See, if it is fourth wave here, see the low point not crosses this point, right? This is very rare, a running flat. See the B wave of, that is A, B, C. The B wave moves above this point and C wave ends above this point, is a running flat and is very, very rare. So we should not expect that rare pattern to happen. So the possibility of wave 4 ending here is very, very low. Either the wave 4 has completed here and it could be 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed, or the entire price action can be wave 4 forming some consolidation structure, anything, right? Triangle. But here the wave 4 may not end here. That's my idea. Okay, either wave 4 ended here or wave 4 still in process of making some triangle or consolidation, whatever. Worst case, right? Worst case, what may happen is the fourth wave may come here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Just apply the concept. If it is ABC, okay, the C waves will have 5 waves. So this is the worst case for wave 4 to end. So what you should understand from this concept is wave 4 not ended here. It may ended here or still in wave 4, and this wave 4 may take a consolidation shape or like this. That we need to see. So what is that important level for it? This gap zone, right? This gap zone. This is very, very important. Even if you take a retracement level, so 22,564 up to 22,500 to 600 levels will be the most important resistance. The gap level and this 78.6%. That is 22,565 or something around that level. The price may face rejections here. That is what I am saying. The minor wave 5 moves above this level, we may face resistance around 22,450 to 22,440 to 450 or even 500. So, but this is not expecting now, because if this happens, this is 1, 2, 3, the bank nifty will move like this. If it move like this, see the important trend line coming here. This will collapse the entire bullish view, right? So that's why I am having this option as a least one. So, and yes, accepted until this low is valid, but for a good bullish view, this should be a least option. So considering all these factors, I took the primary view as 1 of 5 and 2 of 5, 4 has completed here, 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 may proceed, and the short term resistance may come here. Anyway, we will discuss the further price action after the rejection or after the price moves. So as of now, I'm marking it as 1 of 5, 2 of 5 as a primary view. We'll see the rejection, how the price behaves here in a pullback. Then we assume that either of two options we may take, but that will be a bigger correction, which I don't expect now, but have it as an optional, since we can count a 5 subways in this decline. So please have this option also as a secondary one. I hope you understand. See, I'm explaining not only the counts, but also I'm saying what is the reason behind it. It cannot be wave 4 because the corrective pattern not ended here. So it may form a consolidation phase or it may form a decline to complete the wave 4. This is second option. If it is wave 4 already completed, because I can see a 3-wave move, this is 1 of 5, 2 of 5 and 3 of 5 to proceed. So I am explaining Elliott wave with reasons. That is what you need to understand. So nothing here is recommendations. Please don't take trade or any positions based on this view. I'm explaining Elliott wave in a practical way. That's my intention. And yes, as I said, in Bank Nifty, see, this can be 1 of 3, 2 of 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. We know we already got the support here, and this can be a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and wave 1, wave 2. In this wave 3, it can be wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3 and 3 of 3 may proceed. So even if it moves like this, Bank Nifty has a much high potential than Nifty, because it is just now starting the wave 3 of 3. So let's see how it behaves. But if the second option works, the price may come below this channel line, and we need to question the bullish view. So that's why I'm saying a least option. Because of Bank Nifty, I'm expecting Nifty also to move higher, because Bank Nifty should not give up its bullish stance. Anyway, we will check what is happening in the coming week, and the important level in Bank Nifty is, see, the same gap level, okay, So the initial expectation of resistance, because mild upside is pending in Nifty, so Bank Nifty also can touch 48,250 levels, and even though if moves higher, these two gaps will post a resistance, and after the pullback we may decide whether it is a corrective pattern to continue or wave 3 may proceed, right? I hope you understand. So for coming week, this level 48,250 can post some resistance for a decent pullback. You may also check for this level around 48,500. Mostly this will stop this move. If it moves above higher, we may check for 48,500, right? Okay, this is the update on Nifty Banknifty, and see, in small cap we already discussed a lot. The price exactly stopped here, and I said that after a pullback the price will move higher to touch the trend line, and it is trying to move higher, and probably it will touch the trend line, but at the same time it is possibly wave 3. Okay, wave 3 usually has a tendency of moving above the trend line, but at this zone we need to be slightly cautious, and we may take position how it is crossing this trend line or this channel, because this is exactly stopping at the 100% of wave 1 distance. See, exactly 100%. I change it to percent. 100%. That's why the price is stopping here. There is a reason for everything in wave theory, right? If it moves above, we may expect much more higher in the small cap. So the Nifty and Bank Nifty also can move in the minor third wave, right? These are the points we need to combine with other indices. But at the same time, if it faces rejections here, we need to be slightly cautious. If the price moves above this trend line with a gap up or a good green candle, then we may assume that wave 3 is still in process. Yes, new highs are possible in small cap and mid cap. So this is the update I want to share it with you. So the important level for coming days is, this week is 22,440 to 450 primarily. If it crosses that level, you check for 22,500. The only option have to extremely bullish is the price should cross this gap with the gap up. Always remember, whenever you find a gap, it will act as a support or resistance. But if the price gap up this gap level, okay, and moves higher, should not close below. If moves higher, then it can be extremely bullish thing, and the price may start moving higher. Just have the ideas in your learning purpose. That's all. Okay, the important levels in Nifty are 22,450 to 500, and in Bank Nifty 48,250, the first level. If it crosses, we may check for 48,500, and in small cap 100, 17,000, and in mid cap, yes, let's see, the first price moves above 18,700, then we may decide. So this is the update I want to share with you. So from this week, mostly I will share 2 videos per week, if possible, 2 to 3. And thank you for all your support. If you wish to learn the Elliott wave theory in more practical and approachable way, you can subscribe the channel. And you all aware that I have released my own Elliott wave course titled Waves Leads the Price, and I call it as the purest form of Elliott wave trading. Many people have registered, and if you want to learn the concepts in much more easily, and if you wish to identify the turning points of all the waves precisely in the Elliott wave, you can register for the course. I give the details in the description, and also I give the video which talks about the course. Description contains everything I will give in the description. So if you wish, you can check the details in the description, and if you need, you can register the course and you get immediately access to the course. So thank you. Thanks for your support. We'll meet you in next update. Trade safe. Thank you. Bye.